Introducing the epitome of musical innovation, the best foldable digital pianos that seamlessly blend portability with unparalleled functionality. Designed for the modern musician on the move, these instruments redefine convenience. Their portable and foldable nature ensures you can take your music anywhere, effortlessly transforming any space into your personal stage. Featuring an ultra-thin standard keyboard, these pianos offer a tactile and responsive playing experience akin to traditional grand pianos. The integration of Bluetooth MIDI function catapults these instruments into the digital age, allowing for wireless connectivity with a myriad of devices, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. What sets these foldable digital pianos apart is their multiple playability options, catering to musicians of all skill levels. From beginners exploring the fundamentals to seasoned players experimenting with advanced techniques, these pianos adapt to your musical journey. Join us in celebrating the harmonious marriage of innovation and musical artistry. Share your thoughts, appreciation, and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the evolving world of musical technology. Let's embark on a melodious journey together. Number 4 in our top today is the KONIX Foldable Digital Piano. The KONIX Foldable Digital Piano is a revolutionary musical marvel, seamlessly integrating portability with top-tier features. Its innovative 180-degree foldable design not only maximizes space efficiency, but also ensures effortless transportation, making it the go-to companion for musicians on the move. The added convenience of a portable travel tote bag enhances its portability, offering both protection and easy storage. The ultra-thin standard keyboard with 61 velocity-sensitive keys delivers an authentic piano experience, ensuring comfortable finger feel and precise key spacing. The cutting-edge Bluetooth MIDI function allows wireless connectivity with piano game apps and online music lessons, transforming piano learning into an enjoyable experience. Furthermore, the MIDI USB interface facilitates music editing on computers and other smart devices. The KONIX Foldable Digital Piano provides a rich auditory experience with high-quality speakers delivering three-dimensional surrounding sound, robust bass, and warm tones. Boasting 129 tones, 128 rhythm patterns, and 30 built-in demo songs, this instrument caters to a diverse range of musical preferences. Its dual keyboards, split teaching mode, dual voice, record playback, chord metronome, and transpose functions ensure versatility for both beginners and advanced players. A standout feature is the double power supply guarantee, offering adaptability with rechargeable lithium batteries supporting USB and power bank charging. With an impressive 6-8 hours of playtime per full charge, the KONIX Foldable Digital Piano ensures uninterrupted practice sessions, whether at home, school, or on stage. Elevate your musical journey with the KONIX Foldable Digital Piano and immerse yourself in the perfect blend of innovation and performance. Number 3 in our top today is the Donner Foldable Digital Piano. The Donner DP06 Foldable Digital Piano is a paradigm of musical innovation, seamlessly marrying style with functionality. Its ultra-thin body and 180-degree folding lightweight design not only exude concise aesthetics but redefine the convenience of a keyboard, allowing for easy transportation and a simple, fashionable presence. The built-in ultra-large capacity lithium battery, boasting up to 10 hours of playtime, ensures that the DP06 is not just a piano but your ideal travel companion, be it for a party, school, or stage performance. The 61 semi-weighted keys with tasteful texture provide beginners with an authentic piano feel, featuring spring keys with a specific rebound speed for an immersive playing experience. Crafted with exquisite precision, the keys resist turning yellow even with prolonged use, offering greater stability. With 128 tones, 21 demo songs, and 128 rhythm styles, the DP06 invites exploration, inspiring creativity in every note. The DP06's dual Bluetooth mode adds another layer of versatility, allowing it to function as a player with Bluetooth audio and seamlessly connect with smart apps for MIDI signals. In essence, the Donner DP06 is not just a portable piano, it's an invitation to carry your stage wherever you go, combining compact design with superior performance for a musical journey full of possibilities. Number 2 in our top today is the KONIX Foldable Digital Piano. The KONIX Foldable Digital Piano is a revolutionary musical companion that seamlessly blends portability with performance. Its 180-degree foldable design not only saves space but also ensures easy transport, complemented by a portable travel tote bag for added protection. Crafted with a 1:1 piano key ratio, the full-size semi-weighted piano keyboard offers a tactile experience mirroring traditional pianos, featuring 88 keys that respond dynamically to the player's touch, delivering exquisite timbre changes. The integration of Bluetooth and MIDI capabilities elevates this electric piano to new heights. With wireless connectivity, it effortlessly links with piano game apps, online lessons, and intelligent devices for a fun and interactive learning experience. The MIDI USB interface allows music editing on computers, providing endless creative possibilities. The 88-key piano keyboard boasts an LCD display, offering access to 128 tones, 128 rhythm patterns, and 20 built-in demo songs. With dual keyboards, split, teaching mode, dual voice, record, playback, chord metronome, and transpose functions, it caters to the diverse needs of beginners. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery ensures 6-8 hours of playtime per charge, making it an ideal choice for practice, travel, and performances. The KONIX Foldable Digital Piano seamlessly combines innovation and practicality, offering an unparalleled musical journey for beginners and enthusiasts alike. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the Van Gogh Foldable Digital Piano. The Van Gogh Foldable Digital Piano redefines convenience and functionality, offering an exceptional playing experience in a compact design. With 88 full-size, semi-weighted light-up keys, this piano mirrors the depth and feel of a real piano, providing a similar heavy hammering sensation despite its lightweight and portable build. The light-up keys, coupled with the teaching mode and pop piano learning app, make it an ideal choice for beginners, kids, or teenagers, facilitating quick and effective learning. Designed for on-the-go musicians, the foldable and portable design, complemented by a padded handbag, ensures easy and safe storage. The upgraded sound quality, delivered through 2 high-quality built-in speakers, replicates the rich tones of a real piano. The 1/8" headphone input enhances the experience, allowing for silent practice without disturbing others. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Bluetooth, enabling integration with piano game apps and online music lessons. The Van Gogh Foldable Piano boasts a myriad of features, including 128 tones, 128 rhythms, and 20 demos, alongside split, teaching mode, dual voice, record, playback, chord, drum kit, metronome, transpose functions, and more. The MIDI USB interface adds versatility for music editing and gaming. The long-lasting built-in rechargeable lithium battery, offering up to 12 hours of playtime on a 4-hour charge, ensures worry-free piano practice outdoors, at school, or during shows. The Van Gogh Foldable Digital Piano is a comprehensive and portable musical companion, marrying innovation with practicality for an enriching musical journey. In conclusion, the best foldable digital pianos redefine musical convenience, offering portability without compromising on performance. Whether for travel, practice, or stage performances, these instruments seamlessly blend innovation and functionality. Join us on this melodious journey. Appreciate, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more musical insights and inspiration.